In today's video we are going to see how to make self-locking nut in this shock assembly. This is how our self-locking nut is. Now let's start our video. For that, first go on start button, then mechanical design and then part design. After that, wait for a few seconds, select this plane, then go on sketch option. After that, select first hexagon. Let's make hexagon first. Select hexagon from here and make one hexagon. Now use this constraint option. Distance between this edge and this edge is given as 155 in figure, so I use same. Now after that, go on exit to workbench and use this pad command to extend it till 65 length because it's given in figure. After that, select this plane or any plane of that side also. Then go on sketch option, select this circle, make one circle from center. Now go on constraint and give diameter as 100. Then go on exit to workbench, extend it by using pad command and the given dimension is 50. So we have completed our half sketch. Now again select this plane and then again go on sketch option. After that, select this circle and sketch it. Use this dimension option and given dimension is 75 diameter. After that, go on exit to workbench and then use this pocket command and make pocket up to last and select OK. After that, we have to remove some extra material from these edges and these corners. So first select the plane which is going through corners. See, this plane is going through this corner and this corner, but this plane is going through this edge and this edge. We don't want plane which is going through edge, we want plane which is going through corners. So use this, select it and go on sketch option. After that, use this normal view and now you can use this fit to screen. Now first go on projection, make projection of this and this. After that, use this chamfer command, select this line, after that this line and make it. Use here constraints are not given, radius is not given for this extra material part, so I am giving it with my mind, so I am giving it 15. After that, select this and select this point and after that this point. So your entity is completed. We have to remove your entity, so we are just drawing it. We are not giving dimensions to these three lines. After that, go on exit to workbench and then use this groove command, so extra material will be removed. We have to select axis. You can see here selection of axis is not done, so select axis and take one preview if you want, otherwise just click on OK. Now you can see our self-locking nut is ready. Thank you so much guys for watching it.